We are Divine Mother Collective. We thank you for your presence today, and we are pleased to meet your vibration and to offer our perspective. Lakita turum masakatu laka. You are special, itanura, more special than you have given yourself credit for. Lakuta lamita kudai. Most hina surya stay in some ituru, in some ways, in the vibration of lack. Ikichurumaka hita, feeling as if itanumaratu, the answers are outside of you. When you open your kilasuta, your heart's imi tunama, your mind inatuyamu kavasi nurama, and you begin to explore yourself as a spiritual human, kilasuncham hanakutai, you begin to find that the answers are within, and that you are taught by your own spirit. Irasuta, taught how to use your abilities. Irasun, taught how to kichnimihata kurama, help others and to help yourself. Alakatulamaka. This takes a tuning in, ishintaku, tuning in to your spirit, irasuta, and a tuning out of the material, at least for some time. Kichimalakuchamotuka. This can be accomplished through daily meditation, hulakuchmahi, which can happen in a variety of ways, depending on your preference. Hulakatun hamakai otulahata. You are perfect in your form, inasaiti kurama, and ishnahiki, and your form is more than physical. Olatulamahe. And while it may be necessary for you to alasutama, find guidance, titityam to help empower you, ita, guidance from another to help empower you, and ichimekatumaha, help you to explore your own divinity, kalatulama kaihi. Do not underestimate yourself as a spiritual being of God, ulukutundhaka, equipped with many abilities, and minasutamakashunoku, the ability to create, ichimakwa. You are at all times, with or without your knowledge, creating the world around you. Ulamutamakinatu. You are a connector of energies within humanity and within the other beings on your planet, Churumukamvantin, and your planet itself. Uchmin Hankan Untung. You are living in times of great awakening, which also brings great stress to many. Ichina, opportunity to further question your reality. We implore you to imena kuchama, stay in the higher realms in your mind. Do not get lost in the material and in the fears, as this inachumaka becomes part of your recipe for life. There are so many who are reporting their experiences on social media platforms to inakurama, share things such as Iamputa, near-death experiences and the afterlife experiences, Chimatumaka, books, Minantumba, that have been written to describe these, Giroshum, and more of your abilities, Uluturamaka. There are so many ways that you can explore yourself as a spiritual human, and this should be enjoyable to you. If you find yourself finding fear around the subjects, Yipetukupa, find someone to talk with. Litanchumpo, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Gichintam onanka, find a mentor that can empower you and hitatum, lead you into yourself. Olochumtan hakaiti, chum halan. You are magical, umpuka. You are inatumaki, creator in the highest. Oloshumta kalinta kwa, connected to each other. Intanaka, connected to the cosmos, Nitanakwa, connected to earth, using all of these energies to create. Tuchamahi, we remind you that every thought you have is a creation. Inanika, it's a thing. Utamalitaku, and it does not go away when you stop thinking about it. Chipaku, depending on your focus, Inachumaka, your thoughts can last as energy for quite some time. Ulukupahi, what are you bringing to your world today? Nalinkahu, we empower you to do more as a divine creator. Inakaratulaka, we love you. Inamasunta, we walk with you. Inasuntama, and we appreciate you. Alakam Amu Namu.